We got a delivery. What's up, goofy goobers? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys enjoy this one. And today we are doing a Rubik's Cube unboxing. Because I got a bunch of new Rubik's Cubes. And I wanted to show you. So, this was a lot of money. So, please subscribe for my bank account. Alright. Got a mini mat. By the way, not sponsored. Not sponsored. Free embroidered bag. It's really, really fuzzy. Let's unbox them. We'll start from cheapest to most expensive. They were both for free. Let's open it up. So here is the Moyu Super RS3M 2022. Ooh, that looks nice. So remember, this was free. I like free. Alright. First thoughts. Ooh, I love that sound. Okay, so nice and clicky, which I personally like, and it's like sandy out of the box. Alright, so let's see how this thing works. So it comes with a screw. I don't think it's maglev. Yeah, because it's got the, I think it's got a spring, but I will try to figure out how that thing works. It's got the screw, which is cool. And I do believe that this is one of my first Moyus. Let's get out the mini mat. Oh, nice. I do really like that. And it is a little tight, so I'll do some adjusting later. Let's start with, this is the $10 mystery puzzle. Comment if you already know what it is. Probably do if you saw the logo. And it's another 3x3. So, let's open this one up. Whoa, that is weird.
You can like see the magnets, it's weird.
Yeah, so you can see the magnets, which I do like, in a way. And it's actually, it's really nice. It's a matte finish, so it's not UV or anything. It's tight currently. Let's take a look at the internals. Oh, and at the end, I will be doing a attempt to solve on the 3x3s and of one of the other puzzles. But let's take a look. So, kind of reminds me of my Cam 13. If you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. But I really like it. And it's sandy, like out of the box, which I do love that sound. So, pretty cool. Alright. The Kilomates. Man, this is weird. Okay. First turns, it's so tight, it's rough. It's not the best. And I did not buy any cube lubricant, so that stinks. I might have to get one of those. So it's, if you can tell, it's a Mega Mix. You just can't see the pieces. See, that's the center right there. I might do a video on this in the future. Now, Yuxin Little Magic Magnetic 2x2. We don't need that. So, then we got a cube stand. I already have that when I got my Scube. Let's try it. Ooh, it's fast, yeah. I like it. I might do an example solve at the end, but I'm not too good at 2x2. I'll practice. Let's go with the YJMGC 5x5. Now, I did get the Cubicle Pro Shop, the lubricant service. think that might help, because I've heard that some people say it's not very good out of the box. Whatever. So I got, there's some extra magnets, extra springs, and then here is a screwdriver. Now let's try it. Ooh, that's nice, but it's smooth. Here, Zach, you want to try?
Sure.
All right. Here's my brother. So here's my brother Zach trying it out. He doesn't know anything about Rubik's Cube, so he's just gonna play around on it. What do you think?
It's smooth. It's like really greasy.
Yeah. You like the magnets? You like the magnets?
I might grab
Yeah.
one or two.
Not too hard stopping.
Yeah, it's good. All right, so it's really smooth, and I really like it. So let's do checkerboard pattern. If you would like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. And here it is. So I really like how it looks. I'll probably keep it like that when I put it on my dresser. And so comment what you guys think about it, and if you like this cube or not. All right, so moving on to, we got another YJMGC. This time it is a 6x6. So let's open it up. YJMGC. A little difficult to open up. It did not get the lubricant. So here we got more springs, more magnets, screwdriver. Can't get those confused. I'll put those back in the box. But yeah, let's open it up. Right. Ooh, it's nice and glossy. Alright, so out of the box. Oh, almost popped it already. See? And catches her, which I'm not a big fan of, but whatever. I'm not gonna be speed cubing this. Maybe I will, I don't know, in the future. So I don't know. Oh, so you just gotta spread the pieces apart, and the screws are in there. And then I'm not gonna take that apart. That looks too difficult. But other than that, like, you can use it as a 3x3, which I think is kind of cool. So, I mean, I like it. Comment what you think about it. And the final one, got Shingxiao Gigaminx. So I do believe that this is, maybe it isn't magnetic, but it's huge and looks difficult. So first turns. It's a little harder than I expected, but I mean, it is out of the box. I'll probably do some adjustments with like the tensioning, and I probably just screwed it up. So, oh, I didn't. So, out of the box, it's not that great, but I mean, it's not magnetic either. So I didn't feel like spending an extra $15 for a magnetic one. I feel like that one, which would be the Yuxin Little Magic one, it has the ridges, and I do believe that the pieces are a bit bigger, so I think that that would have been a little bit helpful. But, whatever. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, comment what you think about these cubes. Alright, so first we are going to do an example solve with the MoU RS3M Super 2021. I think I did it wrong, but doesn't matter. Alright, so let's scramble it. Thoroughly scrambled. Alright, let's see. I don't know many good algorithms, but we'll start it. solve it, which is good. And I think that's cool. If you think that I should do a how to solve a 3x3 tutorial, please comment down below and let me know, and I'll try to get back to you. And the last step. I messed up. Minute and 6 seconds. Not that bad. Aww. Second example solve is the 2x2. I might not get this one, and I might run out of time. So I'll try my best. So just scramble. Pretty easy. So let's hope I get this. Alright. So again, I'm not very good at 2x2.